Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and look at how you can actually sell on Amazon. Now, Amazon is one of those platforms that is very strong, and we know for a fact that there's a lot of individuals that have started their successful dropshipping journey from Amazon, and so could you. And it's for that reason that we have gone in great detail in selecting the right strategy that you need to implement and execute to scale your business and become a successful dropshipper by using Amazon and harnessing the power of Amazon. Now, one of the things that you have to keep in mind before you get into this industry is the cornerstone for success is based on research. The more research that you do, the more thorough research that you go through, you'll be able to select winning products that are evergreen, and obviously scale your business based on those principles. And it's for that reason we have gone into a lot of research in selecting the right strategy and methodology that you require to become a successful dropshipper. If you haven't checked our videos, guys, go to our channel and check them out, because we're talking about the right method and the tips and the tricks that you require and need to ensure to start a successful dropshipping business. And obviously with Amazon.com, you have that opportunity. And there's two methods of starting your dropshipping business on Amazon. The first one is Amazon Merchant Fulfill Network. This literally means that a method of selling where sellers list the products in the Amazon stores, but they manage all the storage, the shipping, and customer support independently. Now, obviously you have FBA, which is fulfillment by Amazon, and then you have FBM. Now, the main difference over here that fulfillment by merchant literally means that you have the control and you have to do everything yourself. Now, if you're someone small and wants to start off at a very reasonable price, then this is definitely the methodology that you should go for. You have the sellers with the individual plans. These are sellers that use Amazon set shipping rates for all their products, and individual sellers ship orders at their set rates even if the shipping credit is less than the total shipping cost. So it's important to price items in a way that you will actually end up making a profit. Then you have the sellers with the professional plans. These are sellers on professional plans who choose FBM that can set their own shipping rates. They can customize the shipping templates for specific regions domestically and internationally, including handling and transit times. Professional sellers can even customize the shipping charges by order, per item, or per weight. And you can also create a multitude of shipping templates and assign them to your specific offers to match your logistical capabilities for specific product types. And this is the reason why I always mention to individuals to do their research, understand what kind of shipper and what kind of drop shipper you want to become and how you want to start selling on your journey of becoming a successful drop shipper, because there's a lot of different methodology, and the right methodology is crucial for you to understand and select to ensure that you can start your journey in the right way. Now, fulfillment by Amazon is very important, guys, and we're going to talk about that in a second. But before we get into the fulfillment by Amazon, you have the multi-channel fulfillment. This allows you to combine your sales channels with Amazon Fulfillment Network to provide fast delivery, and thanks to their fulfillment center high volume capacity, you can sync your e-commerce apps, websites, and other sales channels with lowering the cost and improving the customer service with Prime-like delivery speeds. And that is the reason I always mention to individuals that you have to select the right methodology to go for. Always start off small, and then you can always grow. Because if you go for FBM, if you're selling a low volume of products and have larger heavy items to sell and have plenty of space to store your products, then this is the methodology for you. Always keep a small amount of inventory to ensure that if there's ever a surprise order, you can always fulfill it and easily provide customer service and returns in-house, and already have a smooth running logistics in place and have a temperature sensitive goods as well. But on the other hand, if you want to go for the fulfillment by Amazon, where you let Amazon pick, pack, and ship your orders, and obviously this gives the power over to Amazon. And I personally believe, guys, whenever you start off small, but then over a period of time, always give Amazon that element, because Amazon understands exactly what they need to do and how they need to do it. They have a very professional and strong team in place to ensure that they can always provide the products being shipped on time, stored properly, and have a return in policy as well. And their customer service is renowned, and it gives a peace of mind to individuals to understand exactly what and how the product is going to be reaching them. And obviously with FBA, you have the peace of mind where you can concentrate on growing your business. There's 4 simple steps that you can follow to ensure you can set up an FBA. The first step is obviously creating your Amazon selling account and logging into the Seller Center to set up your FBA. The second is creating a product listings, and once you add the products and the Amazon catalog, specify the FBA inventory. Step 3 is preparing the products. Always prepare the products for a safe and secure transportation to the fulfillment center. And step 4 is create a shipping plan. Print the shipping Amazon ID labels and send the shipments to the Amazon fulfillment centers, and it's as simple and straightforward as that, guys. Now, once you have done all of those elements, what you need to do is select the items that you want to ship, that you want to sell, that you want to give your audience. And how you select that? It's very simple. You have to head over to AliExpress.com, because guys, AliExpress.com is the place where you can find the most bargain prices, the prices that can give you the maximum amount of profit margin. Now remember, guys, for a successful dropshipping business, you have to select individuals that have a very low price, a low cost, and sell that at a higher price, and then obviously make a huge profit in between of it. But how do you do that? It's very simple. For example, let's search for phone cases. Now, once we search for phone cases, we will see a product that is evergreen, a product that is used by individuals, a product that has potential. For example, if you look at the price over here, this is for 99 cents and it's 3,568 have been sold. This is for $1 and 14,626 have been sold. This is for $1 as well and 13,584 has been sold. This is a product that is evergreen, a product that is required and wanted by any individual that has a phone. If you look at this product over here, 14,941 have been sold for $1. They're making a massive amount of profit. This product has been sold for $2.06. 21,342 have been sold. Only off this one product, they have made a profit of $42,000. And so could you, just off one product. And obviously you want to make sure that you get the product at the most prime price, as low as possible. And it's for that reason you have to head over to Alibaba.com. Alibaba.com is a platform that takes out the middleman, where you go directly to the supplier, directly to the manufacturer that is producing that particular product, and you get the product from them. And once you get the product from them, you'll be able to sell the product at a higher rate. For example, let's search for phone cases and see who is selling phone cases and how much are they selling it for. Then compare the prices that is being sold on AliExpress, and then see for a fact that this is one of those products that can give you a lot of money. This is a product that has been sold for 50 cents, 89 cents, 33 cents, 14 cents. Imagine if you get this particular product and start selling this product for $1, $2, $3, $4.99, how much money you can make. Let's head over to Amazon and see how much these products are actually worth. So we're going to search for phone cases, and as we search for phone cases, we'll look at the prices that they're being sold right now. This product is being sold for $10.38. At the same time, the same product is being sold for 14 cents. So there is a massive profit margin that you can get by selling these products online and making a very healthy profit at the end of the day. As you can clearly look at the prices that are available, $13, $11, $16, $13 and $14. But if you go on Alibaba, you can get them for 14 cents, 1 cent, 93 cents, 25 cents, and obviously make a healthy profit. It is truly as simple and straightforward as that, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask them in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, assist you, and guide you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.